Welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we saw the program to swap two numbers. So in this video we will write a program to find circumference and area of a circle using const keyword. So if you are watching this video and are new to the channel, then do subscribe to get more of programming. So let's begin. First open the Turbo C++ editor. Click on Start Turbo C++. In the File menu, hit on the New. Now you are ready to start your program. Now you need to import the two header files which we import always. Include stdio.h and conio.h. So these two header files are very important while you are writing your C or C++ program. Void main, which is the main function. Now we'll take an integer radius. Now this is the const pi. So why did we take const? Because the value of pi is fixed, that is 3.14, and it can't change. So we took constant. Nobody can change the value of pi now. Float area. Why did we take float? Because maybe after multiplying with pi the value of area and circumference may come in point. So to avoid any problem we took it in float. Printf enter radius of circle. So we entered the radius of circle. Scanf %d and %radius radius. So we took the radius from the user. Now we'll write the code for area. Area is equal to, what is the area of circle? That is pi r square. So pi into radius into radius. So this is the area of circle. We'll give a semicolon and we'll print it. Printf \n area of circle. Now we'll take %f. So we saw %detail now. Now we'll see %f. %f because the value of area is in float. %f, then area. We have to display the area. Now we'll write for circumference. Circumference is equal to, what is the circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into radius, and just we need to print the circumference same as we did for area. \n circumference of circle. Same will give %f because circumference is also float, and ci circumference, and that's it. Get ch semicolon, and yeah. So this is the program for finding the area and circumference of. Now we'll compile it. 0 errors. Now we'll run it. So let's say enter radius of circle. We'll enter 2. So area of circle is equal to 12.00 because this is in float, and circumference of circle is equal to 12 point this. So you saw. Now let me show you. Now we saw void main. Now let me show you int main. What is int main? So int main is used when we write, instead of get ch we have to write return. So in return we have to give a value, say 0. Now when we run this, when we write 2, see, the screen doesn't stop, it automatically gets back to the same position. So we write get ch. Get ch holds the screen till we enter a character. So that's it for today. If you have watched till here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.